Have you ever wondered how to do acquisition in an affiliate program? Do you often wonder how to deal with partner acquisition? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of increasing the revenue through affiliate program acquisition? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about affiliate programs acquisition. Now let's get into it. Here is where every program can rise or fall. You don't have anything to fear from it, but you certainly need to be ready for it. The world of partners can be divided into two parts. Acquisition, getting new partners. Retention, maintaining current partners. There are two primary ways for getting a new partner. We can go looking for them. He can come looking for us. In principle, anyone can become a partner/affiliate. They could be from a small local online shopping site, a portal or content site, or even just some crazy's website without the slightest connection to our world. Since the internet provides such a broad pipeline of content, some sites share common ground with what we, as a commercial company, offer. For example, if we are a company that markets children's games, it's likely that we will seek out websites with content related to children, i.e., social networks for kids, game sites, etc. All of these could be potential partners who can promote our products. In this specific case, we also share the same audience, so any cooperation would also bring buyers to our door. But before we can try and understand who the partner/affiliate is, what he or she knows, and whether he or she can be an effective partner, we must first learn how to find them. There are very many different ways of finding partners/affiliates, and some of the methods can be Sisyphean in their difficulty. It's very important to understand that each partner channel is a channel that matures slowly. It is a fairly slow process of courtship, a process that demands great patience, much like any other relationship. So how to find them? The sad truth is that there is no easy way to find partners/affiliates. Although one method, called crawling, is relatively simple by design. We need to crawl through countless search results until we reach the very last page in the internet. Is this a Sisyphean process? Yes. Time-consuming? Yes. Discouraging? Most definitely. But what can you do? In many companies, there are entire departments dedicated to this task. So how can we do it? Large search engines, Google, Yahoo, MSN, try to enter a word contextually related to our world. For example, if we sell products for children, search for the word children's products. We will probably have thousands of search results, depending on which search engine is used, related to our field. It's likely that the owners of these sites are good potential partners. All that is left to do is contact them and make an offer for them to promote us. The keyword research is infinite. Many different keywords can generate many potential leads. Smaller search engines, Ask, Enhance, Search, etc. Smaller search engines will bring somewhat less relevant results and maybe low volumes, but it is still an important channel to explore. An important fact about these search engines and larger search engines is that the first page results are usually large sites that receive proportionally more traffic than the second or third page results, therefore they are better potential partners who have a greater flow of traffic. It doesn't necessarily mean don't search on the 2nd and 3rd page. Sometimes you will find relevant sites that aren't positioned very good for one keyword but could take up higher positions with different keywords. Local search engines, many of us market to a wide variety of audiences, and sometimes the product we sell is only sold in a particular region or country. Local search engines can yield potential partners in this specific market. Meta search engines, these are search engines that deliver aggregate results from several search engines together, such as Metacrawler, Dotpile, and more. Paid search engines, good examples are Hoover's, B&D, and many others. Open directory portals, these are major nodes of information and traffic where you can find potential partners in a simple and focused environment since they are arranged in categories by fields of interest. Forums, groups, and blogs, there are many social environments on the web in which we can find partners. Professional forums or groups with a common interest are a great source. Social networks, these mediums contain many different audiences, even potential partners. Not to be overlooked. Offline events, exhibitions, lectures. One of the most important methods to find partners involves stepping away from the computer. Schmoozing and networking offline are my preferred methods since you can look your potential partner in the eyes and can engage in a focused dialogue. There are probably even more ways for you to find partners, but I think you get the idea. Now that we've found a partner, what do we do? Those who have already read my first post will know that there are several things I recommend. 1. Always be curious. Always carefully evaluate a designated site. Read the About Us. Who is this partner? What's he selling? Check the quality of the content, the quality, and the design of the site. It indicates a degree of seriousness and the nature of the partner. Find out where does the site link to? Potentially other partners, who are his clients. A careful review of the partner's products and experience will constitute a strong basis for our dialogue. Try out the software they offer, read the content they write, and try to find things that can help you in dialogue, and later, negotiations. 2. Look for emotional material. Are these partners people who talk about themselves? Their mission? What drives them? Some site owners will even say what films they like, which can be a good icebreaker. I had a partner who wrote that he loved the movie The Color of Money with Tom Cruise. I remember talking with him about the film before talking in general about the deal. 3. Try to understand the partner's business model. Does he earn his living advertising? Is it through Google AdSense? Does he sell a product? It will help us greatly in the later negotiations. 4. Learn the traffic sources. How do people find the site? Where it is placed on the major search engines. What's his top ranking? Google PageRank, or any other ranking mechanism. There are many. Is the site marketed in other places and in other ways? 5. Look for the hot spot. Where do you want him to put your banner/link? Where is there an area where you can place your own written content about our company? On his site, of course. When we get down to it, he may offer placement where you do not want to be. Always try to grab the best place with the ideal exposure that will bring us focused traffic. 6. Try to understand his needs. What are his needs? The needs of his clients/site visitors, yes. Yes, he has customers as well. Empathy and solidarity help. 7. Think outside the box. Most publishers advertising for many companies, sometimes even our competitors, sometimes they may have a banner right next to ours. It's very important to be creative, to think about how we're going to get more exposure over our competitors on this site. We need to generate a unique bid that will motivate your partner to give us better placement than the competitor and grab exclusives when you can. Do not limit yourself to marketing boring banners and links, as there are so many other things to do. The negotiation process is a world in and of itself, therefore I won't go into too much detail here. Assuming that we succeeded and we signed an agreement of one form or another, whether it be for a banner, quality content, or a package including the use of his newsletter mailing list, here is the point at which the relationship really begins. Like any good relationship, there should also be investment and development. Don't be afraid to initiate change and always know when to compromise. These are our partners, they wear marketing hats as we do. Some spend heavily to promote their site with no connection to us at all, and yet we both benefit. As they bring more traffic to their site, we get more traffic as well. Always offer your help. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about affiliate programs, acquisition. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.